scammer. And oh, what just happened? Oh, it's okay. I just joined this game, and now I am playing Mini Mystery Part 2. I just joined the game, by the way. Bang, 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 bang. I like doing the bang. Over here, guys. Over here. Oh, I know. I won't do you, cause no. I should have been on her team. 2 versus 2. Who will win? It's like winter. Look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt. That's so weird of me. Okay, so what is it? Yeah, cause I'm told baby a murderer. Yeah. Wait, I need to be chef. What is he listening to? Okay, I was quiet for a minute because I got scared. Oh my gosh, it's her. Oh! Nope. Oh! No, I tried to jump and juke her and it worked. That was so scary. Okay, let's see. Okay. Him? Her? Wait, how did he get die? Really? So basically I stopped her from killing him. I could have been a hero. But he took the gun from me so fast. Oh, that was so difficult. I think she's mad. Is that the wait? I don't remember. Let's see. We have Hotel 2, Office 3, mine. That's in Minecraft. So it's my chef. I think it's, I tried to do the ninja kick, but it didn't go so well. Let's wait till the game load. I'm in a no, too close. Bye. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna die. So. Is everyone just? Did everyone just straight up died? What about everyone just lined up to die? Did I just? I'm murdering going on. Okay. Oh. Okay, he's still alive. I know who's the murderer. Who got the gun? Who got the gun? Who got the gun? I know who the murderer was. It was that vacancy guy. I knew it. Okay, so the timer now. Let me set it right this time. Timer. The timer ran out or something. I can't even talk. Timer. Okay. No, bang. Come on. Yeah, teammate. Yeah. No, what the? Okay. Let's cross our hands. Come on. Bang. Is it the bank? Or, I forgot what that place is. Blue. It's the blue. Oh my gosh. No, I'm murdering. Okay, so let's murder some people. Let's check in here.
Your knife out. Bit one. I can't. That's one. Trying to get her. Yeah. Zoom in. I got you.
Okay, we can't jump out. What the? No, let's stay in here. Cause when he come in, he will like. I can't get out. I can't get out. Okay, let's try this again. I can't get out. This is terrible. Oh, great. Okay, so. Yep, I'm stuck. I am totally stuck. Great. This is my bad chance to be the murderer. Okay, wait. I think I can jump on your body. Can I step on your body, man? I'm gonna stay here. I hate. Oh, this is so terrible. Really? Have to get stuck on the first time being good at murdering. You don't got it. Okay, guys, I am like, really?
I get
Your fault for coming down here.
what the point is.
That I suck.
Well, you can have a party in here.
Yeah, party with the dead bodies. Woo woo. All I do is party with the dead bodies. That's all I gotta do. It's party with the dead bodies. So he was trying to shoot all the other witnesses. Okay, and I was stuck in. I am so sorry, everyone. I was just stuck in the hole. Because I tried to murder and I tried to have a dead body fight with these people. But it didn't work out. Let's do mine this time. I'm doing mine. Fine, I'll vote y'all. Okay, I just wanna do stop the. I just want to be the sheriff. That's all I like to be is the sheriff. But I just noticed. I found this game called Murder Mystery X. I'm trying to get people to play this game. The Murder Mystery X. I like about Murder Mystery because it's like so fun, and I don't know. It's like different. I don't know where I'm going. PTWs. Okay, so oh, this is the place that I didn't check out the first time. So they got new maps. What the? Oh my gosh! I thought the chef died. Ooh! That guy just went by my dead body. Hurry up and ran back. Like, oh, nope, I saw that. I saw the whole thing. Like, I saw her get murdered. You not telling the truth. It's like he back up so fast. He was so slick and cute that I thought he was innocent. Bacon hair. No, Bacon hair, stop shooting innocent people. He's in the garage. Garage. Back in. No. Garage. I'm gonna kill that guy. I can see it. I knew it. He gonna kill an innocent guy cause I'm gonna. I feel like. Oh my gosh. I knew she gonna. Bro. It's like what's the? It's like is that like everyone killing themselves? They stupid. Keep on going. Keep on going. Did she win? Did she win for the whole group? Did she? She won for the whole group. Woo! Cause this what happened. The innocent shot him. Then he shot. No wait. He shot him. No, he shot somebody. Then he shot somebody. Then I got murdered by him. Then everyone else got murdered by him too. But they two shot somebody. And the girl that survived by herself won. You're welcome. Cause they can't play it right. Cause they're like, ooh. And you heard them murdering people far away. Why is this next time? Go for the next map. Oh no. Team, please. He never was a murderer. I trust. I don't trust her. For some reason I trust Dennis. Basic character is not Dennis. That's I don't know his name. Dennis guy named murderer. You is Dennis guy. You is Dennis guy. I said you is Dennis guy. I saw that. I saw that. Oh! No! No! Oh my gosh, I thought he was the murderer. She just came up straight up to say everyone like murder. I'm killing everyone. This game taking too long. I am killing. Wow, that was just wow. That never happened before. Somebody just came up and just killed. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, like 5 minutes. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Like, comment, subscribe if you didn't already. Thank y'all so much.